Did you know that there's a $42 billion auto giant quietly revolutionizing manufacturing with AI? That's right. Magna, a name you might not recognize, is building AI into its factories, and it's changing everything. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into how AI is shaping industries, from auto manufacturing to the latest tech innovations. We'll explore the groundbreaking strategies of Magna, the new capabilities of Apple's AirPods, and even a peek into the future of high-energy physics AI. So stick around, because this is a conversation you won't want to miss. Let's kick things off with Magna, the $42 billion automotive supplier that you probably haven't heard of. According to Business Insider, published on May 8, 2026, Magna is not just building parts for giants like Ford and Toyota. They're integrating AI into their manufacturing processes at an unprecedented scale. They have a five-pronged AI strategy that includes predictive maintenance, quality control, and supply chain optimization. This means that not only are they optimizing their production lines, but they're also ensuring that the parts they produce meet the highest standards of quality, all while reducing waste and costs. Imagine a factory where machines can predict when they're about to break down, or where quality checks are automated, ensuring only the best products make it to the assembly line. Magna is leading the charge, and their efforts could set a new standard for the entire automotive industry. This is a significant shift in how we think about manufacturing and efficiency, and it could influence other industries to adopt similar AI strategies. Now, let's switch gears and talk about something that's turning heads in the tech world: Apple's next-generation AirPods. According to an exclusive report from iPhone in Canada, also dated May 8, 2026, these new AirPods are equipped with built-in infrared cameras and have entered the advanced testing phase. This is a game changer. Why does this matter? Well, imagine being able to capture moments or even video directly from your earbuds. This integration of AI and audio technology could redefine how we interact with our devices. The potential applications are endless, from augmented reality experiences to enhanced communication features. Apple is taking a bold step forward, and it's exciting to think about how this technology will impact our daily lives. And speaking of groundbreaking technology, let's not forget the advancements happening in high-energy physics. According to a recent release on pypi.org, the HAI platform is making strides in utilizing artificial intelligence to analyze complex data in this field. This is crucial because high-energy physics generates massive amounts of data that traditional analysis methods struggle to keep up with. With AI, researchers can quickly analyze patterns and extract meaningful insights, dramatically speeding up the discovery process. This could lead to breakthroughs in our understanding of the universe, from particle physics to cosmology. The implications of these advancements are monumental and could pave the way for future scientific innovations. So, what can we take away from today's insights? First, Magna's integration of AI into manufacturing highlights the importance of technology in enhancing efficiency and quality across industries. This is a clear indication that AI is not just a trend, it's becoming an essential part of business strategy. Second, Apple's innovations with the AirPods show how technology can enhance our personal experiences. The future of consumer electronics is evolving, and AI is at the forefront of this transformation. Lastly, the advancements in high-energy physics AI remind us of the endless possibilities that technology holds for scientific discovery. This is just the beginning, and as AI continues to evolve, it will unlock new frontiers in research and innovation. Now, what do you think about these developments? Are you excited about the future of AI in manufacturing, tech, and science? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content on the latest in AI and technology, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And here's a question for you. What AI integration are you most excited to see in the future? Let's discuss. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.